Ivy here. Today, we're diving into how you can use AI to create a simple plan for organizing your digital files. In our digital age, keeping files organized is crucial for productivity and peace of mind. With AI, you can easily sort, categorize, and manage your documents, photos, and more. Imagine having a tidy digital space where everything is easy to find. AI tools can help you achieve that with minimal effort. These tools can even suggest categories based on your file content and usage patterns, making the process seamless. Remember, the goal is to reduce clutter and make file retrieval easy. Stay tuned for tomorrow's tip on how AI can assist with another aspect of your daily life. Until then, happy organizing.